mountains stand tall, rivers dance and run, but nature isn't just living things beneath the sun. Nature means a reason, a purpose, what a thing is for, why that thing was made and nothing less or more. The horn was shaped to guard the beast, the clock to mark time steady increase. The woman is designed to birth new life with care, build a home and nurture life and trust it there. So what is the nature of a man? Tribes, states, and languages are shifting sand. A man is formed to know, to rule, to love, reflecting the image of his God above. Body and soul by God's gracious hand, created to worship and to understand. That is our end, our purpose, our plan. That's the very nature of an actual man. Four causes make a nature clear: the form, the stuff, the hand, the sphere. A snowball is round and made of winter snow by a playful child made to fight and throw. So man is shaped in truth and light, in knowledge and goodness to rule the earth right. God made us both in flesh and soul, to find our joy under His strong control. So what is the nature of a man? Tribes, states, and languages are shifting sand. A man is formed to know, to rule, to love, reflecting the image of his God above. Body and soul by God's gracious hand, created to worship and to understand. That is our end, our purpose, our plan. That's the very nature of an actual man. Tribes may fade, tongues mingle and divide, nations fall while borders break and slide. Yet one human blood flows on in every line. All children of Adam, we're cousins, lives intertwined. Through Noah's seed the world anew began. We're kinfolk indeed, one great global clan. Rulers and races are real but not essential. Outward appearance is not a limit to our potential. So what is the nature of our humankind? To seek out the truth, to love with hands and mind, to walk with our God, obey His wise design, share eternal joy and make His glory shine. The body and soul by His sovereign command were fashioned for eternity, not for shallow shifting sand. That is our end, our purpose, our plan. That's the very nature of an actual man.